Hello, my name is Nathan, and I'm here with Albert, one of the team members here at UnitConnect. And Albert will be sharing a new feature that we've just come out with and sharing how you can leverage that with your property management business. All right, Albert,
Right.
please go ahead.
Thanks for the introduction, Nathan. I'd like to quickly go through the new feature that we've released, and the feature is sending invoices via SMS. So I'll give you guys a step-by-step instructions on how to use this using our property management software tool. Let me share my screen. So we're on the properties page. First thing we want to make sure is that your tenant information has a mobile phone number on the tenant info page. So we're going to select the tenant, click tenant info. So we'll look at the primary contact for the specific tenant and click modify again to make sure that the phone mobile number is entered, and in this case it is. So just if it's not, then please make sure that it's entered. I'm going to close this. I'm going to head over to invoicing. Let's select the property and the tenant that we're going to use as an example. So we'll select this invoice, and under actions, send text message, or click here, then click send text message. And automatically the phone number is populated here. You can obviously change it. You can add a custom text message. And click send. So now after sending the text message, I'm going to go over to my text message inbox and click on the link that's sent on the text message. And once clicked, your tenant will be able to see the actual invoice.
All right, fantastic.
Sure.
Great. In terms of does the user need to connect anything to enable the text messaging functionality, or all users will be able to access that automatically? Is there anything that the user needs to do on their end?
No, the text message is sent from our system SMS phone number, and the user doesn't have to do anything. And if the tenant responds or replies to that message, we will send an auto reply stating that not to reply to the message and to contact the landlord directly.
Okay, great. If you have any questions about this feature, you can email our support team, support@unitconnect.com, and we'll be sure to be rolling out additional updates in the near future. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Nathan. Take care.